Welcome everyone. To our returning subscribers, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at another shipping container project. This magnificent two-story structure is built entirely out of shipping containers. The structure is built using two 40-foot shipping containers. The only difference is that the container on top is an extra wide shipping container. The width is slightly more. If you can see, we have two corner castings, which indicates that this container is slightly wider than what we have on the ground floor level. I like the design concept. Good, let's move inside and see how it looks. On the inside, this is the kitchen. From outside, you can't imagine this house has such a sleek interior design. I like the use of full height wall glazing. It creates some sense of height and elevation, killing any feel of crampedness inside the house. The stainless steel appliances, the big glass window, and the interplay of white and black on the cabinetry creates an amazing contrast that makes the space to pop. The center island is equally functional, both as a dining cum eating space plus a kitchen counter space. This is the living area showing the lounge. You can appreciate what I meant by saying the container on top is extra wide as opposed to the standard 8-foot shipping containers. This is the lounge area. A closer view of the lounge space. I like this fireplace. It creates a sense of warmth. The full height glazing creates a seamless interaction between the inside and the outdoors, creating a nice indoor-outdoor living experience. Beautiful fan light that is also serving as a light fixture. Look at that. Well done lounge space, big windows for cross ventilation. A closer view of the kitchen space. Look at these hooks. They look like small chairs. An interesting feature right there. The general view of the kitchen when it's panned out. I like this hood above the cooktop. If you like shipping container structures or you are planning to build one yourself and you are wondering where to begin from, we have our new building guide, how to build a shipping container home. You can download 2 free chapters of the book, go through them. If you are impressed with what you've read, feel free and grab your copy using the links in the description below. With that out of the way, let's proceed with the house tour. This is a view of the bedroom. Very nice, simple, finely furnished space with full height glazing, white painted interior walls and wooden floors. Another view of the same beautiful bedroom space. It has got full height glazing on one side, and you can see we have bedside stands with lighting. There's a view of another space which serves as a multifunctional space. This looks like a sofa bed that can stretch out to create extra sleeping space. It's also an intimate lounge area for this unit. This is a studio setup. You can see the bed on this end, and that far side is occupied by the lounge area. Beautiful setup, nice finishes, good floor finish. This is a view of the same studio space from this angle. Nice bathrooms, hotel style, modern finishes, beautiful bathroom spaces. Good. That brings us to the end of our house tour. But before you sign out, remember to check out our new building guide, how to build a shipping container home using the links in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.